I want to do a shout out today. You know what the shout out is? Doesn't have anything to do with Disneyland. Well, kinda. It's happy birthday to Disney World. That's right. Disney World just turned 45. Had to think there a minute. As of yesterday, which was October 1st. So, aside from that, we're going to show you something from the 50th anniversary of Disneyland. Now, this is very cool. I got it, of all places, at Costco. And it is very cool. And what it is the Walt Disney, it's a 6 CD auto library, over 7 hours of new and classic, restored, and remastered recordings from Disneyland Park, including many previously unreleased recordings, all stored in a deluxe hardcover exclusive table book, which is a coffee table book, that is. 72-page hardcover book, The Sounds of Disneyland, featuring an in-depth look at the musical and audio history of Disneyland Park. Now, mine got a little bent here on the back, but if you want to look at that, I don't know how well you can see it. I may list all these, but it'll be a lot of work in the description. So, if not, hopefully, if you're able to see this after I do this, and it looks good, then I have to put them all in. But this has a lot of cool songs and such from Disneyland. Okay, so here it is. So we open it up. I'm going to put that off to the side. And this is the book that has all of the back is just plain, but this has all the cool CDs in here. Look at that. This is Family Treehouse, Small World, Toontown, Fantasmic, and good old People Mover, obviously, don't you? Anyway, so those are cool, and I wish I could play them for you, but I can't. So we'll put that off to the side now, because this could be a very long video if I wanted it to be. But we won't make it too long. But I did want to show you this. This is 50th anniversary, like I said, The Sounds of Disneyland. Plenty on the back, pretty on the front. Anyway, so we're going to kind of look at this. Now, maybe I need to hold this up, because I'm not too good at that sometimes when I do videos. Now, this is like not so exciting, but hard to do. But so far, it just is telling about the discs. But there are some pictures. Look at that. Here's the castle. Yep, that's the castle. Now we're gonna flip through these. Main Street, USA. Hopefully you can see these well. Part is, it's so hard. The music shops, great moments with Mr. Lincoln. That's a good one. And then we go to Adventureland. Look at that tiki room. Enchanted tiki room. More. And there's when it was Swiss Family Robinson. Now Tarzan's Treehouse. At least at Disneyland. Disney World still is Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse. This looks like Indiana Jones. Favorite for many people. And New Orleans Square. And there is, why can I not think of it? Mark Twain. I can't think of it. Not thinking today. Pirates of the Caribbean. Anyway, there is just all kinds of good stuff in this book. We could go on and on. There's more pirate stuff. And I don't want to bore you, but there's the Haunted Mansion. Of course, that's pretty interesting. Oh, let's see. More not pirates. Haunted Mansion. That's the Disney Gallery and Club 33. They don't even think they don't have the Disney Gallery no more. Critter Country. There's the Splash Mountain. What am I thinking of? I'm thinking of America Sings, but I think that one's in here. Country Bear Jamboree, which is no longer there. I will tell you this. If you go on Winnie the Pooh ride and you look at a certain place and you look behind you, these guys are still there hanging on the wall in the dark. So, look for them. Winnie the Pooh. Anyway, I won't sing the song. Frontierland. Wow. The Golden Horseshoe Review. Yep. This is really hard to do. Nature's Wonderland. There's Walt Disney. And, man, this is hard to do. Fantasyland. Kind of letting you look. Peter Pan. Peter Pan's flight. Yep. Wow. This is hard to do. Pinocchio's Daring Journey. I mean, look at it's got a lot in here. You can take some time on this book. So this is pretty cool book, and the CDs are awesome. There's Small World. Mickey's Toontown. We're almost done, boys and girls. The Disneyland Monorail. Look at that. That's like concept type art. Kind of reminds me of Meet the Robinsons. Remember that movie? I know I do. I know about that one. Carousel of Progress. Yeah, it's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, boys and girls. And America Sings, another good one from after the Carousel of Progress. And a People Mover. Hey, there's one. Oh, that says... Oh, I was thinking that was Disney World, but it does say Disneyland there. Huh. Interesting. So, Space Mountain. I like Space Mountain. Do you like Space Mountain? Holiday time. Christmas time. I like to call it Christmas time. They like to call it holiday time. Anyway, and then Walt and Mickey just say, so long, farewell. And on that, boys and girls, is one boring video. But you know what? That's okay, because I got many more. Not boring ones. I got many more of them. Well, they could be. But I think you should check them out. Anyway, that's all I got. But the cool thing is, if you have the opportunity to buy this, probably have to look on eBay or something like that, because this is back in the 50th anniversary days. So, long time ago now. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, put a thumbs up. If not, well, just move on. Anyway, see you next time. It's Buster time. Goodbye.